guys, this is your boy, the Ninja Boy Rick, and welcome back to another video here on channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I'm having a pretty good myself. So in today's video, I'm going to be playing Bloxburg. So here we go. Let's just jump right into today's video. So in Bloxburg, I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new cafe. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you guys a tour in my cafe. So yeah, let's just jump right into today's video. So obviously, first things first, I have this sign called the Unique Cafe. Well, my cafe is unique, okay? Just think like that. My cafe is unique, okay? We got a 7 lots parking, which I made. It cost a lot, okay? And then now, I introduced to my cafe. Oh, I like this automatic door, okay? So, this is my menu. Whenever they come, whenever they come like this, and then they see the menu. They can sit here, see the menu, okay? Think like this is the counter. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna write the R's in the computer, I guess, okay? This is the kitchen. I got the stove, cabinets, the dishwasher, the fridge, some more cabinets, okay? I got the blender, I got the tea, and I got the coffee maker. And this is a microwave / oven, okay? So that is basically it for the kitchen, okay? And then next comes the real part, the dining area, okay? 2 people should sit right here if they want to, otherwise they can go to their home. Anyways, okay, so, and then what I should do, okay, this right here is for like what, a family like that. Okay, wait, okay, so this right here is for a family, and 2 tables like that, okay, and this is the washroom, as you can see right here, okay. So we have a bathtub, we have a modern toilet, and we have a commercial sink. Now, this like mirror, you can't see anything, but I just kept it like it can be realistic as a bathroom, so that's why I kept it, okay. So next, this area is for me. When I need to boost up my health, my health in the game, I sleep. I should sleep. I have to serve customers. I need energy, so I have to sleep right here. And I have kept the paint for the floor, and that is basically it for my cafe. I'm going to be upgrading it in another video, and I'm going to be building another good cafe in a bit. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell on your way out, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.